Volkswagen may be behind on planning. Toyota production is disrupted in Japan, and General Motors faces a federal investigation. Good morning, I'm Tiara Riddick and welcome to First Shift. More on those stories in a moment, but first, in the world of auto repairs, there's a notable divide between Tesla and other electric vehicles when it comes to collision repair costs. According to third quarter data from Mitchell, the cost of repairing Tesla vehicles remains substantially higher than traditional combustion engine cars. Last quarter, the average repair cost for a Tesla was just under $6,000, a significant jump from the average repair cost for combustion vehicles, which stood at $4,205. Non-Tesla EVs had an average repair cost of $4,474, which is only $269 higher than their gasoline counterparts. For more on this story, head over to autonews.com. Now, in a significant disruption to its production, Toyota is taking a cautious step due to an unexpected event. After a blast at one of its component supplier factories, the automaker is making adjustments to its operations. The company has decided to partially suspend operations at 7 plants in Japan, a move that comes after an explosion at a factory belonging to Chuao Spring, one of Toyota's component suppliers. The explosion left one employee hospitalized while another was treated for slight injuries. For more on this story, head over to autonews.com. Safety concerns regarding autonomous vehicles continue to rise as General Motors' self-driving unit Cruise faces a federal investigation. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has initiated a probe to assess whether Cruise has taken adequate precautions to ensure pedestrian safety. NHTSA's Office of Defects Investigation has received about 2 reports from Cruise about incidents in which pedestrians were injured. The incidents reportedly pose a risk to pedestrians, especially when they were on or about to enter roadways and pedestrian crosswalks. Volkswagen Group's ambitious cost-cutting plans for its namesake brand are reportedly facing delays. Volkswagen announced a planned $10.5 billion cost-cutting drive in June. The measures were aimed at helping the brand achieve a return on sales targets of 6.5% by 2026. However, it appears that defining key measures for this initiative is not progressing as expected. Sources say that those measurements may not be defined now until the end of this year. Thanks for watching. For breaking news, stay with autonews.com. Have a great day.